Splash in the bubble bath. Kitty laughs in foamy path. Baby shark is coming too. Bubble fun for me and you. Pop, pop, pop. Splash, splash, splash. Let's wash Kitty every day. Kitty jumped into bath so bright. Bubbles glowing soft and light. Splash goes water, fun begins. Kitty spins and grins and spins. Pop, pop, pop. Splash, splash, splash. Bubble bath fun. Go, go, splash. Baby shark swims in fast. Big foam bubbles flying past. Kitty laughs. Slow down, please. I can't see through all of these. Pop, pop, pop. Splash, splash, splash. Bubble bath fun. Go, go, splash. Rub-a-dub soap all around. Bubbles bouncing on the ground. Baby shark goes splash, splash, splash. Kitty says, what a splashy crash. Pop, pop, pop. Splash, splash, splash. Bubble bath fun. Go, go, splash. Bubbles fly up in the air. Kitty tries to catch them there. Pop, pop, they burst away. Bubble bath is fun today. Pop, pop, pop. Splash, splash, splash. Bubble bath fun. Go, go, splash. Baby shark slows it down. No more foam all around. Kitty clean from head to toe. Bath time fun is ready to go. Splash, splash, bubble pop. Kitty bath will never stop. Baby shark and Kitty play. Bath time fun every day. Ticky-tacky night, so bright, lovely. Farm is sleeping soft, the moonlight okay. But wait, what's that in the sky? Something glowing falling by. Oh no, 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 look up high. The moon is falling from the sky. Wobble, wobble, moon goes low, a step. Shaking, shaking, slow, slow, slow. Next star shout, hey, come back. But moon is slipping off its track. Each boom light hits the farm below. Animals wake like, oh no, no. Wobble, wobble, falling down. Moon is landing on the ground. Cow runs, moo, what is this light? Pig says, oik, it's too bright. Rooster screams, cock-a-doodle, like duck goes quack. Is it true? Sheep faints bay. Who see the sky? Goat eats rope. Munch, don't ask why. Farm goes crazy left and right. Moon is shining super bright. Moon is sad. I'm on it now. I will fix this, just show how. She grabs a net. She grabs a rope. This is not the end of hope. Wind whispers, hurry fast. Moon is falling very fast. City kitty on the road. Rescue mission has begun. Moon is sad, I slipped away. I lost my place in sky today. Kitty says, don't cry, don't fear. I will take you back up here. She swings the rope. Up, up high. Stars start cheering in the sky. Swing, swing, swing. Up you go. Slow, 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 nice and slow. Moon is back in sky so high. Stars are smiling, bye, bye, bye. Farm is calm, soft and sweet. Hood animals sleeping in their seat. Kitty yawns, what a night. Everything is back alright. Moon is back where it should stay. Skitty saved the Y2K. Oh no, try Kitty for Stretch, sing and learn with Kitty Poo. Kitty looks in the mirror today. Something is missing, what can I say? She wants to learn in a funny way. So let's help Kitty start to play. Head, 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 where are you? Here I am, I'm on top of you. Kitty laughs, I found you there. Her head is here, now we're aware. Eyes, eyes, where are you? Here I am, I see you too. Kitty blinks, I can see bright. Eyes help me see day and night. Nose, nose, where are you? Here I am, I sniff things too. Kitty giggles, what a smell. Nose is working very well. Mouth, mouth, where are you? Here I am, I talk to you. Kitty sings la la la. Mouth can laugh and say hurrah. Hands, hands, where are you? Here I am, I clap for you. Kitty claps, clap, clap. Hands help me give a tap. Feet, feet, where are you? Here I am, I walk with you. Kitty jumps, run so fast. Feet help me have fun that last. Kitty learned her body parts today. Head to feet in a fun way. Touch and sing, come and see. Learning is fun for you and me. Wow! Sleep, sleep, close your eyes. Twinkle, twinkle in the skies. Baby shark says no, no, no. I don't want to sleep right now. Rock, rock, lullaby. Kitty sings the moon so high. Baby shark jumps on the bed. Pillow bouncing on his head. Blanket flying through the air. Toys and bubbles everywhere. He says, I'm not sleepy now. Then makes funny sharky sounds. No, 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 don't sleep that high. Baby sharky's jumping set. Kitty walks in soft and slow. Moonlight starts to gently glow. Tiny stars float in the room. Kitty hums a sleepy tune. Baby shark still wiggles fast. Kitty smiles and sings at last. Rock, rock, sleepy night. Close your eyes and hug tight slide. Kitty sings la la loo. Magic sparkles shining blue. Clouds are floating way up high. Sleepy moon lights up the sky. Oh no! Baby shark slows down a bit. Yawns and stretches tiny fins. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. Thrippy shark knows where you are. Soft breeze blows the curtain slow. Nightlight makes a gentle glow. Baby shark hugs Teddy tight. Everything feels warm tonight. Kitty whispers, close your eyes. Dreams are waiting in the sky. Just for you. Sleep, sleep, drift away. Dreamy nighttime ends the game. Baby shark now snores so sweet. Tiny tail under the sheet. Kitty smiles and tucks him in. Magic lullaby. and stars shine way above. Nighttime filled with sleepy love. Sleep, sleep, close your eyes. Sleep, sleep, close your eyes. Twinkle, twinkle in the skies. Sweet dreams, lullaby saves the day.
Oh, no.
Sweet dreams now, hip, hip, hooray. Farm school opens today. Animals come to learn and play. But oh no, what do we see? No one knows behave properly. Oops, 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 what a show. Cow sits down. Whoa, cow sits down. Desk goes up like Teacher Kitty says, sit, sit, please. Cow goes mute, I eat my cheese. Cow starts chewing desk instead. Books bounce over her head. Whoa, moo, moo, sit, sit, fit. Cow still chewing every bit. Pig enters with loud oink, oink. Slides on floor like splash and splink. He runs around the classroom fast. Breaks the chalk and laughs so fast. Kitty says, what, none. Pig says, drums, this is fun. Oink, 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 slow, slow, slow. Pig is running like a show. Rooster jumps on teacher desk. Cock-a-doodle, super best. Kitty says, please. Rooster shouts, no, 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 ease. Doorbell rings, but he rings more. Class becomes loud like roar. Cock-a-doodle, shh, shh.
Oh no!
Rooster thinks rules are Sheep starts jumping on chair. Ba, 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 everywhere. Duck slides in with splash, splash. Ink spills in a colorful crash. Let Kitty shout, calm down now. But animals don't know how. Ba, 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 splash, splash, splash. Classroom turns into a crash. Goat enters, eats the board. Chalk table, everything ignored. He says, munch, munch, yummy, test. Kitty sighs, this is a mess. Munch, 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 stop, stop, stop. Goat is eating classroom shop. Kitty claps, listen all. Farm school is not a mall. She shows sit, walk quiet to her. Animals try to copy her too. Slowly, slowly they learn today. Behave is fun, they all say right. Farm school now is fun and bright. Learning how to do things right. Moo, oink, ba, and cock-a-doodle too. Good behavior starts
no.
with you. Farm school, E-I-E-I-O. Now they know how to go, go, go. Go, 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 go. Bubble, bubble, don't pop, pop. Something scary makes you stop. Kitty says, stay close to me. Baby shark, what can it be? Bubble, bubble, and go slow, slow, slow. All history's about to show. Beating baby shark are playing. Bubbles flying, kids are spraying. Pop, 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 goes every side. Laughing loud with happy pride. Be bubble back, yay, yay, yay. Play with bubbles all the day. Suddenly silence in the air. Bubbles stop, nothing's there. Sky turns dark, very slow. Cold wind starts to blow. Baby shark whispers, I don't like this. Kitty says something is wrong. Subble bubble, where you go? Something strange is starting to grow. From bubbles something nice is fly. Big round face in the sky. No hands, no feet, just cawing face. Spinning slowly in the play. Yum, 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 candy rains. Baby shark eats once again. Pop, pop, pop goes jelly booms. Candy flying round the room. Oops, oops, tummy shake. Too much candy, tummy ache. Baby shark finds candy store. Chocolate falling on the floor. Lollipops and gummy bears. Candy flying everywhere. Baby shark says more, more, more. Then meets a giant candy where as yum, 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 chew, chew, chew. Too much candy, what to do? Baby shark jumps super high. Candy shooting to the sky. Spin, spin, spin around the chair. Sticky jelly in his hair. He slips and slides across the floor. Then wants candy even more. Kitty hears a boom, boom, boom. Candy bouncing round the room. Baby shark goes, oh no me. My tummy feels all wiggly. Kitty says, now listen here. Too much candy's not good, dear. No, 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 candy stop. Time for healthy munch, munch, chop. Kitty brings banana shake. One apple slices on a plate. One crunch, crunch, crunch goes carrot bite. Baby shark feels all right. Water splash and soup so warm. Healthy food becomes the charm. Crunch, 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 healthy fun. Strong and happy everyone. Baby shark now dances slow. Healthy power starts to grow. Candy sometimes is okay, but not all night and all day. Kitty laughs and claps with glee. Healthy habits lead they. Yum, 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 candy treat. But healthy food is good to eat. Kitty helps and saves the day. Happy shark can laugh and play. Hee.